Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I will show you how to get high quality option on your TikTok. How to fix high quality option not working on your TikTok. What you have to do is this. Please watch this video to the very end. Tap on your plus icon. Okay, tap on upload. Then select any of them. If it's video, if it's audio, you select. Let me take this Happy New Month. Then looking at it here, I don't have option like how to fix that, like high quality option. What I have to do is tap on more option. And my more option here, I have allow high quality upload. Okay. Okay. Say high quality upload may take longer to process. Okay. Mine is already is already on. For that reason, I can just continue. But in case you don't have it something like this, this is what you have to do. What you have to do is this, because mine is showing I don't have a problem. But in case yours is not showing, what you have to do is this. Screenshot this one option. When you screenshot it, you screenshot it. When you go to your settings and privacy. Look for report a problem. Report a problem. Okay. Let's see, manage account. No, it's not this. Let me see, I think we have other stuff. Report. Let's see, report. I'm not reporting a video. I'm reporting that I don't have high quality. So let me just start. So high quality. Fix TikTok. Let me see. Fix TikTok. High quality. Not showing. Then my screenshots. You can come here and put it here. Okay. So this way, if I submit it, TikTok will work on it to fix TikTok high quality, not showing. But remember, mine is showing. I'm saying it because of those that theirs is not showing on their TikTok app, even though the TikTok app is updated. So that way, when you submit it, TikTok will work on it. But mine is showing, so I'm not submitting. But if yours is not showing, this is what you have to do to be able to get the option of high quality TikTok on TikTok video on your TikTok app. So if this video was helpful, please do well to like, share, and do not forget to comment and leave and tap on the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload new video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.